Schneider Children's Medical Center of Israel, a member of Clalit Health Services, was established in 1991 thanks to the generosity of Irving and Helen Schneider. Since its inception, Schneider Children's has become a national resource, the only one of its kind in the Middle East. A full range of pediatric subspecialties are provided under one roof to children from all over the world, irrespective of race, religion, or nationality. Every day, the hospital, which has become a leader in its field, is the scene of riveting human dramas, rare medical cases, exciting medical discoveries, and most of all, children who have received the gift of life. The secret of Schneider Children's success is the combination of medical excellence, advanced equipment, and a sense of mission among the hospital staff. Every year, the ER treats more than 50,000 children. 16,000 children are hospitalized in the various wards. About 8,000 children undergo surgery. Tens of children undergo organ and bone marrow transplants. 1,000 children undergo cardiac catheterization or open heart surgery. 900 premature babies are treated. 140,000 children visit outpatient clinics and institutes, where they receive the finest treatment from skilled teams of about 1,500 dedicated and professional experts. The 7 puzzle pieces symbolize the complexity of care at the medical center: medical excellence, research, multidisciplinary approach, the world of the child, internationalism, bridge to peace, and community outreach. The many children within the state of Israel and beyond who have recovered at Schneider Children's are faithful ambassadors of this unique medical center, which is ready to do everything for the smile of a child.
תודה לכל הרופאים בשניידר שעזרתם לי לנצח את מחלת הסרטן.
מישהו גדול שם ישמור עליי שלא אפול. יד רכה תבוא אליי, שותקת שם ומרגיעה. אז ראשי יצנח עייף, מפחד שוב בתוך ריקה. מישהו גדול, שישמור עליי, שלא אפול.